Covenant College has done Reformation Day Lectures for about 20 years, and the joy of them is it allows us to both celebrate our tradition, but also be open to reforming it. We want to both learn from our past, but then also look at ways that we need to grow, that we have been blind to things. And over the last 2 decades, we've brought people here to both help us better understand our tradition and focus on justification or strong themes in the church. We've also brought some who have helped us see some of the weaknesses in our tradition. This year, we're excited to bring Colin Hanson, who's going to be thinking about how the gospel matters as we live in this culture where everything seems so negative. And the Reformation emphasis on the good news that matters for all of the earth. So we really hope people will come. This is going to be relevant to today, but drawing on our rich tradition.